In this video, we are going to train a chatbot with Make.com. As a first requirement, we will need a chatbot. You will need a Make.com account to be able to perform the integration. For this tutorial, we have created a scenario to train a chatbot with product information from a store created with Shopify. If you need to use another data source to train your chatbot, but you can use this scenario as an example to train your chatbot. Some features may change. Now we are going to connect to Shopify store. Click on the Shopify icon and then click on Create a Connection. We need to have our subdomain of our store. For this, we go to Shopify. In the left side navigation bar, we look for the online store option. And we look for the option View Your Store on the current page and click on the button. In the store URL, we look for the subdomain and copy it. Then we return to Make.com. Add the subdomain in the indicated field and click Save. A pop-up window will appear asking you to install Shopify on your store. Click Install and continue the process. Now, let's set the result limit. We are going to explain how this scenario works. To process the information, Shopify needs the Array Aggregator tool since there are many products to process at once. In this tool, we choose the fields we want to process. The tool called Iterator is also needed during the process. In this step, you only need to pass the values from the Array Aggregator to Iterator. In the last step, we are going to configure MightyChat. Click Create a Connection. In the new field, we have to add the API key of our account. We will return to MightyChat. Let's go to the account page. At the bottom of the page, you will find the API key section. Click on Generate API Key if you have not created your API key yet. Now we copy our API key. We return to our scenario in Make.com and add our API key. Click on Save. Now we need the chatbot ID. Go back to MightyChat account to find the chatbot ID. Click on My Chatbots. We choose the chatbot and click on Edit. In the tab named Test, you could locate the chatbot ID and then click Copy. We return to our scenario in Make.com and add our chatbot ID. In the information field, you must enter your information in the following format. Click on Save. Let's click on Run once the scenario. The scenario was executed successfully. This means that our chatbot has already been trained with product information in Shopify. Let's go to MightyChat to ask the chatbot some questions about the products in the Shopify store. The response from our chatbot was correct. With this result, we can confirm that our chatbot has been integrated correctly. As a last step, we are going to configure the scenario. First, we are going to choose when the scenario is going to be executed, and then we turn it on. Finally, we save the changes.